welcome to Tricolor Creations. I'm going to show you how I created this doodle style art with an acrylic pour overlay. So without further ado, let's get into it. I taped off the middle and only leave the sides of the canvas uncovered for the acrylic pour. The acrylic paint colors I used included shades of green, blue, purple, white, and red. Once dried, I pulled up all the tape to reveal the sketch underneath. Now it's time to paint it in. I paint in this white border to help strengthen the contrast between the pour and the sketch. Finally, I go back in and paint over all the black lines in the sketch. Thanks for watching. It means a lot to me that you clicked on this video. I appreciate that you took time to check out my art. If you like what you see, definitely smash that like button and definitely subscribe. It's free, I promise, and it would go a long way to support a small channel like mine. Until next time, stay blessed.